Hey everybody, and welcome this new free course on learning how to become a front-end developer. So if you were become a front-end developer, so this course is for you. And who happen to know between the difference between the developer and offsite, I can a little description about those things. So basically the web design is have a two parts. One is UX and another one is UI designer. Okay, and the web developer has also two parts. One is front-end developer, another one is back-end developer. So we are on a cover of these sections, that is front-end developer. Now who am I? If you haven't familiar with me, so my name is Himel Sarker. So I'm becoming trying to be a software engineer. Okay, so let's go to our today's sections number 1 and episode number 1. So let's go. I have already made a slide for you what will cover up these sections. Okay, we'll cover up here the sections 1, Firefox developer editions. We wanna give a overview of giving the Firefox developer editions. Firefox developer edition is basically modern web browsers only for developers who has using being a software engineer or doing creating a new software. So this browser is for them. Okay, and we'll discuss about the download and install. So how to download a Firefox developer editions. So I have already installed a Firefox developer editions, so I have no need to install it again, but I'll show you how should you download and what are the processes. Okay, so click on here, so search Firefox developer editions. So Firefox developer editions, and click in here. So here it is. So how should you download? So click on blue button of the Firefox developer editions. It will come up with the file. Here is my file. So and click on OK, and it will goes to your download sections, and it will download to your PC also. So I'll not install it now because I have already. So who have a Windows user, they can easily install the Firefox developer editions, but who have the Linux user, please see on YouTube and please download the browsers to your PC. Okay, so the next one, the third one, you're gonna cover the features. What are the features is actually the Firefox developer edition have. So we seen on the left side of the pictures. So this is the features, the browsers made for developers. We are seeing here is written, you can read later on. And this is the feature that tools that inactive CSS, Firefox dev tools, master CSS grid, fonts panel, and some build and perfect your site with the Firefox dev tools. Here is the dev tools like inspector, console, debugger, networking, stress panel, responsive design mode, visual editing, performance mirror, and style editor. So now in a fourth, so now we'll cover the tools for developer. Okay, so what are the tools for these Firefox developers? So click on a new tab and click on right side and click on inspect. So we have already seen this. If we click this, this is the cursor, pick an element. So I am picking an element like this Firefox logo, and it shows below this have a code. Okay, we are seeing in a below there is code. Okay, so you can pick like what you have need to your website. Okay, now the thing is inspector. Inspector is like you are going below and clicking the dev classes, and it shows upper the full classes of these Firefox sections. So you can take this code and you can implement to your and the website what you want to creating. So here is this element and here's the layout. We all have this. Okay, and another one is the tools is console. This console is actually the tracking the CSS and JavaScript where you're doing the coding part. Okay, and debugger is the powerful for JavaScripts. So networking we will not discuss about this networking because this course is not have including this networking part. And this is the style editor. This is a great tools. If we take we have created a new site, new one, so we can code like here styler. So I'm taking body, then background, and become what I give red. So looks now great looking. This browser has become a red ones. So if you save this file style editor, here you can save this file as a CSS, so it will save to your browsers and it color will be the red. So it's great to style editing. And another one is I can remove this one. So another tools is performance, that memory, storage, accessibility, application is all like on networking part issues. So we'll not cover up these things. So the most thing is the another tool is responsive model tools. Look, this responsive design mode is actually give you the size of your Firefox. Okay, and this responsive mode you also select any of these, the size of according your phone. And if you need to edit the list of your phone, so you can create a new one according your device setting. And here is so this is the resolution things we are seeing, width and height. So this is the responsive mode. Okay, so so this new tab we have this Firefox also have settings in the right side, and click on here. We are gonna cover up these things. Responsive design mode we are not saying about the adapter. It's a great tool. I want to pick up a blue according our website samples, so click on blue shade. Yes, there it is. Yeah, and click on it and it's copied, and you can implement your website as well. So this is a great tool. It gives an in front of these browsers. And also the next one is the page source. So you want to know the code of your website, another website, so click on here and it shows this the source code of your files. What you cover, the thing is that we know the overview of the Firefox editions, we know about the features, and we know the different tools of the Firefox developer editions. So all of these things we have covered the sections once. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.